Hello, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Nappa. Today, we will be cooking a cake. This cake will look something like that. Now, according to this recipe, we need 1 cup of water. Oh shit. We need 1 egg. We need some butter. Fuck! And we need some peanut butter. We also need some bread.
Water in it.
We need just some crusted bread. And then we put it in the oven.
Hey!
What?
That's not how you cook cake.
Yes, it is.
Look at the book you're reading. It says combat right there.
Fuck!
That's